Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and as promised, we're unboxing another white Nissan. And I told you I would show you the new 50 car case we picked up. Same as the one that's usually in the background. Actually, I just placed this one in front of the other one. This one's going to go on top of a bookcase where I won't be able to showcase it in a video. That's why we had to move it down here temporarily for you guys to see. So, anyways, these are the ones we've already unboxed for you guys. And the only thing that you probably have not seen is the second transporter. As I mentioned, I picked up two of these sets, so I just went ahead and unboxed the other set too. Installed the car transporter since it says Nissan on it. Figured that would be cool, put that there, and then I'm going to try to get the other set with the R32, 33, and 34, and then place the hauler in there with one of them in the back of it and such. And then maybe eventually get the Liberty Walk hauler in white again. I had the black one, but this time I'm going to try to get the white one since that's the theme I'm going with. So anyways, today what we're going to unbox is our first Tarmac in a very long time. And it's the Tarmac Lamley S14. And this is the Vertex Nissan Silvia S14. So pretty cool little car. Been wanting one of these for quite a while, but never bit the bullet and bought one until recently. So we're going to go ahead and unbox him and take a look at him. Nothing fancy with this box, kind of a cheap window box, but I like it better than the Mini GT box because it has the window and you can actually display it and stack these if you wanted to. Whereas the Mini GT, you have to open it because that's how you get the Mini GT, sealed with a picture of the car on it. Well, this, they do one better. They have the picture of the car, Lamley on one end cap and on the other end cap, but then they have the window there. So that is pretty cool. Then you have all your licensing stuff on the bottom, your warnings and things like that, and so forth. These are not sealed with any kind of sticker or cellophane or anything like that. They just kind of pop right open. Pretty cool. To be honest with you, I cannot recall. I could have had cellophane over it. I don't remember because I've already opened it once and had it in the display case. So it could have been wrapped in cellophane, but I don't think it was. And they have a nice little PVC tray that keeps the car in place. And this is a very nice model. As you can see, it's got the mirrors on it. The mirrors on this are plastic, so you do have to be very careful. This is a right-hand drive model, but I believe all Silvia models you will find will be right-hand drive. It's got the Vertex kit, which is a very conservative kit, which is pretty cool. And then it's got the 5-spoke wheels, which I really like these wheels on it. They're kind of also a conservative style wheel that I do really dig. I don't like those really flashy wheels or black painted wheels. The conservative silver or chrome or color match to the car I do dig quite a bit. And then let's zoom in a little bit because we're getting some distortion because it wants to focus on the cars in the background. So you can see you got all these sponsors down the front side of the door, like a lot of tuner cars have. And then you have red acrylic with acrylic taillight lenses. Then you have Lamley group across the rear window, Vertex plate, and then your exhaust cutout with a silver exhaust tip and muffler. And these are, I can't tell, I think it's plastic base, but held together with button head screws, which is cool. So very easy to customize. Clear acrylic headlight lenses. And it does have the intercooler you can see through the front bumper cover. And nice detailed interior, what you can see. So very nice model. We're going to pop him in here in the display case. So we're going to start our third shelf with white Nissans. So let's zoom back out. And the other side is just being occupied by some of our mini GT stuff we've unboxed and some other stuff that is debatable on whether we're keeping or not. Some other wagons besides the Kingswoods, although I do have my Zinger Kingswoods in those in here. Those are keepers, but some of the other stuff, it's debatable. I'm not sure what we're going to be keeping. So anyways, guys, that's our video. We'll be back again on Friday. Friday, we're going to be doing our regular Free It Friday, and I'm not sure what we're going to do. Some older Hot Wheels garage cars, or maybe a new M2 Mustang funny car, maybe some new Team Transporter. Not sure, but tune back in Friday and find out. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on Friday.